guys, it's me, and I'm probably gonna sound full of cold, but yeah. There isn't really a theme this week, so I'm just gonna do whatever. And thank you, Gabby, for the video yesterday. Well, I only watched it today, but yeah. Saying thank you to me, that was really nice. Well, I'm just gonna show you some things I bought like yesterday, even. I got. It's in black and white, by the way. I just felt like doing something different. It's some nail cream, a brand new headband, 2 new nail polishes, but it's in black and white, so you can't really see them. That was my mistake. This is just black, and this is a blue colour, really pale blue, metallic, and then clean and clear, and a big bottle, because I like the big bottle. And then a new, let me just, let me just put that on, and a new concealer, because I was in the department store, I felt like buying all of them. It's a bit dark for me, so it shows up, but that's too much. So that's okay. Where's my Builder Bears? Oh, I got some new pajamas for my Builder Bears on. And what else have I got to say and do, or whatever? I don't really know, just thank you, Gabby, for the video, and I'm really, I don't know what to do without a theme. Oh, it's nearly Christmas. I just thought I'd say that. I'm gonna go now.